everyone. My name is Fatema Sattar. I have attended the webinar from ACT conducted by June ma'am, and my topic was social emotional learning for young learners. I think maybe after being in an industry for such a long time, I have learned the core areas which were articulated to me in a manner that I have understood it more clearly. And in the classrooms, when I am teaching the young learners, it is benefiting me to hit the right core of them. And today's takeaway from me is managing not only their academics, but yes, their social and emotional thought processes and their activities, which in long run help them and benefit them for their successful lives. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, ACT, and thank you so much, June ma'am.